a great choice today with the 2016 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, center armrest, universal garage door opener, security alarm, electronic stability control, fog lamps, USB connection, power windows, bucket seats, compass, trip computer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.